YouTube in 2024. It's a jungle out there. Millions of channels, billions of viewers. But hold on, don't get intimidated. This is a good thing. It means massive opportunity. Think about it. More viewers equals more potential fans for your content. You gotta ask yourself, what's your passion? What gets you fired up? Gaming, cooking. Maybe it's teaching the world about ancient Mesopotamian history. Whatever it is, own it. Your passion is your edge. It's what will set you apart in a sea of sameness. Look, I'm gonna be real with you. Gone are the days of slapping together a shaky 5-minute video and going viral overnight. The competition is fierce. Viewers crave quality. They want to be entertained. They want to learn something. Your content needs to be top-notch. But here's the secret sauce. Be yourself. Authenticity shines through. People connect with realness. Don't try to be the next big YouTuber. Be the first you. That's your superpower. Now go out there and crush it. Let's dive into content. Your content is your kingdom. Your viewers, they're your loyal subjects, hanging on your every word. What are you serving up? It's gotta be electrifying. No, scratch that. It's gotta be mind-blowing. High-quality videos, sharp editing, captivating storytelling. These are your secret weapons. Think about what you love to watch. Now, crank it up a notch. That's your benchmark. But here's the game changer. Consistency is key. You can't just drop a killer video and vanish for 3 months. Your audience needs a steady diet. Create a schedule and stick to it. Think of it like building a relationship. You gotta show up consistently to earn trust and loyalty. The more value you provide, the more your audience will explode. And guess what? Growth equals opportunity. More views, more engagement, more chances to monetize your passion. The YouTube algorithm. The thing we love to hate, the mystical gatekeeper of views and subscribers. Or as I like to call it, the sorting hat of the internet. It can feel like a black box, but let's demystify this thing. No magic wands required. The algorithm is simply trying to connect viewers with content they'll love. Think of it as a matchmaker for videos. Your job is to play the game. First things first, keywords. Yes, those magical words. These are the words and phrases people use to search for videos like yours. Do your research. It's like a treasure hunt. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords. Think of them as your trusty sidekicks. Sprinkle them naturally throughout your video title, description, and tags. Next up, engagement. No, not the wedding kind. The algorithm loves it when viewers interact with your content. It's like giving it a high five. Encourage comments, likes, shares, and subscribes. Basically, ask for all the love. Ask questions in your videos. Make them feel like they're on a game show. Respond to comments like a boss. Or like a friendly neighborhood YouTuber. Show the algorithm that your content is sparking conversations. It's like a virtual party. Remember, the algorithm is constantly evolving, just like your taste in music. Stay informed about the latest best practices, because nobody likes being left out of the loop. But don't obsess over it. Seriously, don't. Focus on creating killer content that people actually want to watch. The rest will follow. And remember, have fun with it. Let's talk about the emotional roller coaster of YouTube. It's real, folks. One day you're riding high on a wave of views and comments. The next day, you're staring at your analytics, wondering what the heck happened. Here's the deal. You gotta develop thick skin. Not every video is gonna be a home run. Some will flop. It's inevitable. Don't let it discourage you. Learn from it. Analyze what worked and what didn't. Celebrate the wins, big and small. Hit a subscriber milestone. Pop the champagne. Got a heartfelt comment from a viewer? Soak it in. These are the moments that fuel your fire. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Was it to gain fame and fortune? Maybe, but more likely, it was to share your passion, connect with others, and make a difference. Hold on to that. Let it be your guiding light. Let's talk about the M word, monetization. Turning your passion into profit. It's not a dirty word, folks. It's about creating sustainable income from doing what you love. But here's the thing. Monetization should never be the driving force behind your content. First, build a loyal following. Create killer content that provides value. Once you've got a decent audience, explore monetization options like YouTube's partner program, sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore other platforms like Patreon or Twitch. Build an email list. Create and sell online courses or digital products. The more avenues you have for monetization, the more stable your income will be. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Treat it like a business. Invest in yourself. Learn the ropes of marketing, branding, and audience engagement. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. So, you've reached the end of this YouTube journey. You've learned about the competition, the algorithm, the highs and lows of content creation. Now the question is YouTube the right platform for you in 2024? There's no easy answer. It depends on your goals, your commitment, and your willingness to put in the work. But here's the thing. If you're passionate about something and you're willing to share it with the world, YouTube can be an incredibly rewarding platform. It can connect you with like-minded individuals. It can amplify your voice. It can even provide a sustainable income. But it's not for the faint of heart. It takes dedication, creativity, and a whole lot of hustle. So, what are you waiting for? The world is waiting to hear your story. Go out there and make some noise.